Hey, how you doing? It's that time of year here. We are approaching winter. We are up on the 45th parallel. We are really close to Minneapolis, Minnesota. We have 6 months of crappy weather to look forward to, more or less. And it's a good time for planning for next year, for any kind of camping scenario, motorcycling scenario, trips, car trips, you name it. And I've been kind of at a loss of what to do some future videos on, and I decided to do a more in-depth plan and execution of a motorcycle camping trip. Let's say that you sneak in at night on this little tiny road, and you see a woods that likely no one's in because there is no deer hunting at this time. And let's say that the guy that owns the place really isn't anywhere near there, or you don't think so. So, this would be called stealth camping. And stealth camping can be fun, or it can't be fun. Let's say if it wasn't fun. Let's say if the guy shows up. Let's say he's missing many teeth. Let's say that he likes your pretty mouth. Maybe we want to see something aside from asphalt and a-holes. So, this is what we're going to do. We're going to plan for this trip, and we're going to start today.
Which of those two is now? So space and time are linked together. As we are looking across space, we are looking back in time.
It looks like. And that looks pretty nice there.